In 2019, an iconic and unique place emerged in Norway, Mius Tarnet, meaning the Tower by Lake Mius in Norwegian. This 18-story engineering marvel, standing at 85.4 meters tall, became the world's tallest wooden building. Made from cross-laminated timber, the only non-timber elements are the concrete slabs on the top floors. Inside Mius Tarnet, you'll find a hotel, private apartments, a restaurant, offices, a swimming pool, and more. The architect aimed to inspire others to create similar structures, marking the beginning of a Renaissance era in timber construction.